Naway maisapuso namin at mapanatili ang mabuting adhikain at mga aral na iniwan ng aming tagapagtatag na si Ambassador Antonio L. Cabangon Chua.
Today's celebration is no ordinary gathering. It is a celebration of the vision of a man who was determined to mold the young into the values of hard work and discipline.
Sa ating kagawaran ng edukasyon, naniniwala po tayo, hindi ho ba, na ang pagiging makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan at makabansa ay dapat maramdaman sa bawat aralin, sa bawat laro at sa bawat ugnayan natin sa paaralan. Through the integration of values education, implementation of various school sports, sports clubs, mental well-being programs, we nurture learners who are not only competent but also disciplined, resilient, and compassionate individuals. Kapag buo ang loob, mas buo ang pangarap. That's the kind of holistic personality that DepEd wants to build in each and every individual. Makadiyos sa diwa, makatao sa gawa, makabansa sa adhikain. Of course, to our Gintong Parangal awardees, thank you for being here. Thank you for doing the good work you do. So, syempre, nagpapasalamat tayo sa Fortune Life Insurance.
But to thrive in an ever-changing world, we measure success by learning that sticks and lives that move forward. So let's continue doing that, one class at a time. Thank you, everyone.
Lahat, ipagpatuloy natin ang laban, ipagpatuloy natin ang paghubog ng kinabukasan. Because in every child we teach, in every life we touch, we are building a nation. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang edukasyon.